Alvin Pinto Darabail Mangalo Konkarns, Dubai, proudly announces its first ever Sadhan Puraskar to a multifaceted and tireless contributor to the world of Konkani arts and cultural Mr. Alvin Pinto Darabail, a renowned actor, writer, poet, social worker and cultural ambassador. Dubai, June 9. Mangalo Konkarns, Dubai has proudly announced its first ever Sadhan Puraskar to a multifaceted and tireless contributor to the world of Konkani arts and culture, Alvin Pinto Darabail, a renowned actor, writer, poet, social worker and cultural ambassador. The Konkani community has been home to numerous gifted individuals who have enriched the language and culture with their exceptional talents. While some have gained recognition, many remain unsung heroes. In an effort to acknowledge and honor such contributors, Mangalo Konkarns has introduced the Sadhan Puraskar, a tribute to those who have relentlessly worked for the betterment of Konkani language, art, and culture in UAE. This year, the unanimous choice for the inaugural award is Alvin Pinto. About Alvin Pinto Darabail family details. Alvin Pinto, born on January 20, 1956 in Darabail, Mangaluru, Pinto is the proud son of Francis Pinto and Delphine Pinto. He currently resides in Bajaj, Mangaluru. In 1985 he married Preski Sequeira and together they have two daughters, the late Alma Ursula Pinto and Magna Emiliana Pinto. A BCom graduate from St. Aloysius College, Mangaluru with a diploma in business management. Pinto served as an accounts manager for over 35 years with multinational companies in Dubai and has since been self-employed for the last 8 years. From a young age, Alvin Pinto was known for his acting talents, performing in Konkani, Tulu and Kannada dramas in Mangaluru, and later continuing his passion in Dubai. He has also acted in Konkani and Tulu films. Besides acting, he is a gifted writer and poet with articles featured in several Konkani publications. As an organizer, Alvin Pinto played a key role in successfully screening multiple Konkani and Tulu films in the UAE. A dedicated social worker, he has extended his support to many in need, often going the extra mile to raise and distribute funds to the underprivileged. Alvin Pinto is an exceptional cook. He is also passionate about gardening, and is a skilled master of ceremonies, associations or leadership. Founder member Mangalo Konkarns, Dubai, the founding member still active in the organization. President Mangalo Konkarns 2015-2019. Member DG Dubai. Former President DG Rang Mandir Dubai. Member Karnataka Sangha Dubai. Former Entertainment Secretary Gamat Kalavida Dubai. In recognition of his extraordinary contributions and dedication, Alvin Pinto has received several awards and honors, including the prestigious Gulf Karnataka Ratna. The Sadhan Puraskar ceremony. Mangalo Konkarns will proudly felicitate Alvin Pinto Darabail during their unique cultural event Matif on June 28 at the Lavender Hotel Al Qusis, starting 7 p.m. onwards. This event will bring together prominent association leaders and entrepreneurs from Karnataka based in the UAE under one umbrella. A rich cultural showcase of Konkani heritage will be one of the highlights of the celebration.
Shri Vignesius, Shri Vinamundulsa, Shri Benedict Pinto, Shri Sarvottam Shri Nando, Nama Mangalo Konkarns Shri Vignesius, Polo, Gulabi Malendo, already music and music again for the Shri Vignesius. Konkani Sanskriya, Urmal Petavanno, Shri Benedict Pinto, Ivaru, Alvin Pinto, Ivarage, Nidabeka, Kedkultidene, Shri Benedict Pinto. ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ನ ಗೌರವದ ಸಂಗೀತ ಸಾಧನ್ ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರ ಇದರ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಫಲಕವನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಸ್ಟೀಫನ್ ವಿಲಿಯಮ್ಸ್ ಇವರು ಆರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹಸ್ತಾಂತರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಸುಮಾರು 4 ದಶಕಗಳಿಂದ ಆರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವರ ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವೆಗೆ ಬೆಂಬಲವಾಗಿ ನಿಂತ ಅವರ ಧರ್ಮಪತ್ನಿ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಪ್ರಿಸಿಲ್ಲಾ ಪಿಂಟೋ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ನ ಗೌರವದ ಕಾಣಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಜೇಮ್ಸ್ ಮೆಲ್ಲೋನ್ಸ್ ಇವರು ನೀಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಪ್ರಿಸಿಲ್ಲಾ ಪಿಂಟೋ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಜೇಮ್ಸ್ ಮೆಲ್ಲೋನ್ಸ್ ಇವರ ಗೌರವದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರು ಒಂದು ಛಾಯಾಚಿತ್ರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಜೊತೆ ನೀಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ.